If your fridge is starting to feel more like a lukewarm closet than a food-saving fortress, or if finding space for groceries feels like playing Tetris on hard mode, it might be time to stop babying that busted old box and upgrade to something that actually works. But with every brand shouting energy efficient and smart features, it's easy to fall for the hype and end up with an overpriced, overcomplicated, underperforming kitchen anchor. That's why today, we're cutting through the marketing noise and showing you 6 refrigerators that are actually worth your money. Whether you want simple and sturdy or fancy and futuristic. No fluff, just the truth. Let's kick things off with a fridge that's surprisingly stacked for its price. Number 6. The GE French door refrigerator with ice maker. This isn't your average budget pick. It's got 27 cubic feet of space, which means you can stop cramming in groceries like you're packing a carry-on bag for a 3-week trip. It's sleek, it's fingerprint resistant, and the inside is just as smart as the outside. Full-width shelves hold big trays, gallons of milk, and awkward leftovers with ease. Plus, you get an internal water dispenser that doesn't eat up half your shelf space like those bulky external ones. The freezer? Surprisingly tidy. It comes with a built-in ice maker and adjustable dividers, so you're not digging through frozen chaos every time you want a popsicle. Add in bright interior lighting and shelves that adjust to fit your weird-shaped containers, and you've got a fridge that actually adapts to real life. And yes, it's Energy Star certified. So while it keeps your food cold, it doesn't make your electric bill sweat. If you want a well-designed, spacious, and energy-conscious fridge without draining your savings account, GE's French door model is a rock-solid start. Moving on to number 5, the Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator. If you've ever opened your fridge and felt like you were spelunking for yogurt in a dark cave, this one's for you. It's bright, organized, and absolutely massive. Nearly 28.5 cubic feet of space. And with the freezer on one side and fridge on the other, everything stays upright, visible, and accessible. No more digging for that sad frozen burrito at the bottom of a drawer. It comes in 3 finishes: black, white, and stainless steel. And the stainless version resists fingerprints like a champ. The ice maker is built into the freezer door instead of hogging shelf space, and you can grab water or ice straight from the outside without opening a thing. LED lighting keeps everything visible, and the adjustable shelves and gallon-sized bins actually make sense for how people store real food. Whirlpool also packs in some smart cooling with its AccuChill system and adaptive defrost, meaning it chills fast and defrosts only when needed. That saves energy and avoids the dreaded freezer burn. It's practical, big, and built to stay clean. If you've got a full household and want something efficient that doesn't cost a fortune, this side-by-side is a no-brainer. Now let's turn things up a notch with number 4. The Samsung French door refrigerator with dual auto ice maker. This one's for folks who love tech, clean lines, and options. It's a counter-depth model, which means it fits flush with your cabinets and doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. It still gives you 27 cubic feet of space, which is more than enough for a busy kitchen. And yes, it's got 2 ice makers, big cubes or those fancy nugget-style ones for iced lattes and party drinks. Samsung really said, why not both? You'll also find deep door bins that fit gallon jugs and shelves that actually accommodate your Sunday Costco haul. Add Wi-Fi controls and a fingerprint-resistant finish, and you've got a fridge that looks as good as it functions. Samsung is also known for maintaining rock-steady temperatures, which means fresher food, longer shelf life, and fewer science experiments hiding in the back. If you're into smart features, but still want a clean design and reliable cooling, Samsung's dual ice maker fridge hits that sweet spot. All right, let's shift gears into luxury mode. Number 3, the Bosch 800 series French door bottom mount refrigerator. Now, if your dream fridge is more boutique hotel than basic appliance, Bosch is about to ruin you for everything else. This thing looks and feels premium from the outside in. That sleek stainless steel, fingerprint resistant and stunning. The counter depth design blends into your cabinets like it was custom built. And the four-door layout isn't just for show, it's genuinely practical. You're not stacking yogurt on top of lettuce anymore. Inside, it gets even better. There's a glass refreshment drawer that basically turns your fridge into a convenience store display case. Up to 17 bottles of drinks, all front and center. Need to adjust anything? Use Bosch's Home Connect app to change the temperature or settings from your phone. And yes, the internal water dispenser is tucked inside where it belongs, so the front of your fridge stays clean and seamless. The storage is smart, not just spacious. Adjustable bins, a removable bottle holder, and LED lighting that actually lets you see what you're grabbing. One note, it has a single wide drawer rather than multiple smaller ones. So if you love ultra-compartmentalized storage, that might feel limiting. But if you're after elegance, efficiency, and modern smarts, all wrapped in one stunning package, Bosch delivers. Moving on to number 2, the Maytag French door refrigerator. This one's all about getting maximum value. You want something roomy, good-looking, and reliable without dropping your entire paycheck? Maytag steps up. It's got 25 cubic feet of space, a clean stainless finish that resists fingerprints, and an intuitive layout that actually makes sense. Slide-out shelves help you reach those lost jars in the back without doing fridge yoga. The internal water and ice dispenser comes with a filter, and the bottom freezer is thoughtfully designed with pull-out drawers that keep everything accessible. French doors open wide so you can see everything at once. No more blind fridge rummaging. The Maytag keeps temps steady in both compartments, which means less spoilage and better storage for sensitive items like dairy. And here's the clutch feature, Power Cold. It rapidly chills the fridge when needed, like after you load in all your groceries. It's a small thing, but it makes a big difference when you need it. Maytag's French door fridge isn't the flashiest, but it's built to handle everyday chaos without breaking a sweat. Great value, smart features, and rock-solid performance. Now for number 1, the LG Standard Depth Max French Door Refrigerator with InstaView. Yeah, it's a mouthful, but it's also a monster of a fridge in the best way. You're getting a massive 30.7 cubic feet of storage here. That's grocery trip overkill territory. Hosting a party? Storing 2 turkeys? This fridge laughs in cubic feet. The InstaView feature is classic LG flair. Knock twice, the panel lights up, and you can peek inside without opening the door. Perfect when you're snack scoping at 1 a.m. without waking up the whole house. Dual ice makers let you choose between regular cubes or fancy craft ice for your cocktails. Internal water dispenser keeps the exterior looking sleek. Adjustable shelves, full-width convertible drawer that switches from fridge to freezer mode, and loads of smart features via the ThinQ app. Control temp, settings, and diagnostics right from your phone. It's stylish, ultra-functional, and built for people who need space and love their tech. One small catch? The digital controls can be a bit much at first, so give yourself time to learn the system. But overall, if you want a top-tier fridge that does everything except cook dinner, the LG Max French Door with InstaView is the one to beat. And there you go. 6 refrigerators that actually deliver. No paid hype, no buzzword fluff. Just real picks for real kitchens. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and check the description for the best prices on all the models mentioned. Until next time, stay smart, stay cool, and don't let your fridge freeze your budget. Subscribe now to Frugal Choice for more smart, No nonsense shopping tips that save you money and time.